children. First question. There is a sequence 121, 117, 113, so on. Which is the first negative term? Very important question, children. Very important question. To find out in this sequence, compulsory 0 will come, negative 0 will come or may not come. We don't know. But negative term will come. And it goes on up to infinity. Okay, it goes up to infinity. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. I already told you how to do this sum in Adi Sharma. Anyway, again I am saying, children, whenever they ask a negative term, first you put here 0. 0 may come or may not come. 0 may come or may not come. Let us put 0. A is 121 plus n minus 1 into common difference how much, children? Minus 4. This comes here. Minus 121 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 4. This comes here, children. N minus 1 is equal to minus 121 by minus gets cancelled, children. So after this, what do you get, children? N minus 1 is equal to 30.25. 30.25 minus 1 comes here. N is equal to 31.25. Means 31.25 n is not possible. I told you a million times. N will take only natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 31.25 number will not be there. So either 31 will be there or 32 will be there. But 0 we have taken. 0 is coming between somewhere between 31 and 32. You got the answer. So 31 is the last positive integer. After that, somewhere 0 came in the middle, and 32 is the first negative integer. First negative integer. Okay, children? Verification. What is that first negative integer? A32. A plus n minus 1 into d. 121 plus 32 minus 1 into common difference minus 4. Okay, children. So what is the first negative integer, children? 121 plus 31 into minus 4. 121 minus 124. Minus 3 is the first negative integer. That is, second term is the first negative integer, and minus 3 is its value. Very important question. In progressions, this is very important question, children. What is the first negative term? It's a very important question. Okay, children, let's go to next question. What is the next question? Okay, children, let's just go through all of it. Next question. Sum of third and seventh term is 6, and the product of third and seventh term is 8. Product of seventh and eighth term is 8. Third and seventh term is 8. Question is sum of 16 terms. Find the sum of 16 terms of 8. A3 means a plus 2d. A7 means a plus 6d is equal to 6. A3 means a plus 2d. A7 means a plus 6d is equal to 8. All of you know it. A plus a how much, children? 2d. 2d plus 6d is how much, children? 8 is equal to 6. Okay. Take 2 common, children. A plus 4d is equal to 6. Take 2 down, children. A plus 4d is equal to 2. 3. 6 by 2 is 3. A is equal to 3 minus 4d. Substitute here. A is equal to 3 minus 4d here, children. 3 minus 4d plus 2d into 3 minus 4d plus 6d is equal to 8. 3 minus 2d into 3 plus 2d is equal to 8. So a minus b to a plus b, a square minus b square is equal to 8. 9 minus 4d square is equal to 8. This here, 4d square is equal to 1. Okay, children? So d square is equal to 1 by 4. D is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. And substitute the d value here, children. You will get a also. Okay, children? So d value we have two values. No? Plus 1 by 2 is there, children. Minus 1 by 2 is there. So both values you have to substitute and find out both values of a. A is equal to 3 minus 4 into 1 by 2. 3 minus 2. A can be 1. Or if minus 1 by 2 is there, a is equal to 3 minus 4 into minus 1 by 2. A is equal to 3 plus 2. That is 5. Okay, children? So a can be 1 or 5, and SD can be plus 1. D can be plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by Okay, children. Now, but the question is, what is the sum of 16 terms of AP? For this also you should find out. For this also you should find out 16 terms of AP. For both of them you should find out, children. Okay, please copy, children. I will drop the board and I will tell the remaining part. Please copy. I hope you are copying, children. So now question is, find the 16 terms of AP in the both the cases. We got two cases, children. One is we got A is equal to 1, B is equal to plus 1 by 2. And that one we got A is equal to 5, D is equal to minus 1 by 2. In both the cases, you should find out sum of 16 terms. 16 by 2 into 2A plus 15D. Okay, children? So 8 into 2 ones are 2 plus 15 into 1 by 2. How much? 8 into 2 plus 15 by 2. Okay, children? 8 into 2 to the 4, 4 plus 15, 19 by 2. 2 4s are 4 9, how much? 76. If you do like this, it is 76. Now let us substitute minus and check, children. What is its value? Okay, it can be S16 is equal to same 16 by 2 into 2A plus 15D. How much? 8 into 2 into 5 plus 15 into minus 1 by 2. So 8 into 2 5 is 10 minus 15 by 2. 2 tens are 20. 20 minus 15 is how much? 5. 5 by 2, 2, 4 is 4, 20. So it can be 76 or 20. Answer is 76 or 20 is sum of 15 terms of AP. Sum of 15 terms of AP. It can be anything, children. Either 76 or 20. Anything can be the answer. Please read third question, children. All of you. Third question. All of you. Third question. There is a ladder like this, children. These are the steps. These are called steps, children. These are called steps. Rungs, they will say, rungs. Between each two rungs, the distance is given as 25 centimeters. Between top and down one is given as 2.5 meters. And this is 45 centimeters. This is 25 centimeters. What is the total length of all the steps? Question is, what is the total length of all rungs? Rungs means step, children. What is the total length? This plus this plus this plus this plus this. What is the total length of all steps? They ask. First, we should know how many steps are there. Rungs. How many steps are there? Means first we'll find out the gaps. Okay. So total distance is 2. So 2.5 meters in 2.5 meters. How many 25 centimeters are there? How many 25 centimeters are there? So n is equal to 2.5 by 25. This is meters, this is centimeters. Meters to centimeters into 100, children. 250 by 25. 250 by 25. Okay, children. So n is equal to 10 gaps are there. 10 gaps. 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gap, like the 10 gaps. Children, for every gap, 2 steps are there. 1 gap means 2 steps. 2 gaps means 3 steps. 3 gaps means 4 steps. 4 gaps means 5 steps. So 10 gaps means 11 steps are there. 11 steps. 10 gaps will have 11 steps. Again, I'm saying those who didn't understand. 1 gap will have 2 steps. 2 gaps will have 3 steps. 3 gaps will have 4 steps. Total 10 gaps we got. How many gaps are there? 10 gaps are there. 10 gaps will have 11 steps. As we know first term and last term, we will use our formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. Okay, children. Sum of 11 steps is equal to 11 by 2 into, first one is 45, last one is 25. So 11 by 2 into 70. Okay, children. So 11 5 is 35 and 385 centimeters. 385 centimeters is total length of 11 steps of ladder. Rungs or steps is same, children. Neatly you should write, children. 385 centimeters. It's 11 is. Anyone didn't understand, children? Anyone didn't understand? Be careful, children. In 2.5 meters, how many 25 centimeters are there? 10 25 centimeters are there. Means 10 gaps are there. 10 gaps will have 11 steps. 1 gap will have 2 steps. 2 gaps will have 3 steps. 3 gaps will have 4 steps. 10 gaps will have 11 steps. Once you know 11 steps, we know first one and last one, n by 28 itself, you will get the total length of all steps. Okay, children? Last two sums are there. Last two sums are there, children. See kindly. Mhm. Please concentrate, children. Fourth one is a little bit confusing. You should not get confused, children. Fourth one, all of you, please read question. Okay, fourth one, I'm saying, children, there are some row houses. Like that, how many row houses are there? How many row houses are there? 49 row houses are there. Who is that, children? Who is that talking? Please, Nana, mute yourself. Mute yourself, children, all of you. Mute yourself. So, this is first house. This is second house. 49th house, children. This is 49th house. What is the question is, somewhere there in the middle, one house is there. Okay, somewhere there in one middle, one house is there, children. Let us take as X house. Shall we take X house, children? X house, haunted house. Okay. What he's saying means all the sum of all the houses before that will be equal to sum of all the houses after that. Means if you add all this, suppose you are getting 40. If you add this all, suppose if you are adding all this, you will get 80. Here also you should get 80. If you are getting here 100, here also you should get 100. What is that house number? This is the question. Children, you should listen carefully. Okay, children, please listen carefully. There is one house in the middle. Before that, all houses, X house. This is, I'm saying X house. Before that, all houses if you add, and after that, all houses if you add, same answer here. If this is X house, the before house will be X minus 1 house. Okay, children. So, how to do this? How to find out X? How to find out X? This is the question. So children, simply if you want to find out X, it becomes difficult, children. So what I will do means, listen carefully, children. What I will do means, I will find out this one, sum of, one second, yeah, sum of X minus 1. Till here I will find out sum that will be equal to, from the middle, if I want to take some question, I can't take, children, because what is the first house, next house, we can't find out. In the middle of, from middle onwards, I can't apply this formula. So what I will do means, I'll find total sum of 49 houses. From that, I will subtract X houses. Then I will get this houses, children. Again, I'm saying, don't get confused, children. Don't get confused. Sum of all houses up to here, sum of all houses up to here will be equal to all houses minus this. This will give this houses. Again, I'm saying sum of this houses will be equal to all houses minus this will give you this houses. Okay, children. So substitute in the formula. Slowly I'm doing, children. See here. N by 2 into 2a. A is 1 only, no? Plus n minus 1 common difference 1. Again, also interesting. 49 by 2 into 2a plus 49 minus 1 into common difference is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Those who didn't understand, check. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference 1. Okay, children? So, be careful, children. X minus 1 by 2 into 2 plus minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, 49 by 2 into 49 minus 1, 48. 48 plus 2, 50. Minus x by 2 into 2 plus x minus 1. Okay, children? Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Okay, children? Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. So x minus 1 by 2 into x is equal to, everyone should see, children, carefully. 225, 49 into 25 minus x by 2 into x plus 1. Okay, children? Till here, okay, all of you? Now, what we do? See here, children. So we have to find out x. This whole thing, I'll bring it here, children. Okay. So please, children, carefully you should listen. So this whole thing I'm bringing here. Here is there x by 2 into x minus 1 is there here already. This whole thing is coming here plus x by 2 into x plus 1 is equal to 49 into 25. I hope till here everyone understood. Okay, children. X by 2 take common, children. I'm taking x by 2 common, children. X minus 1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 49 into 25. Till here, okay, children? Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. Okay, children? So, x into x, 2x. Here I am showing, children. Here I am showing x into x plus x, 2x. X into 2x by x, sorry, by 2 is equal to 49 into 25. Okay, so 2 cancel. X square is equal to 49 means 7 square into 25 means 5 square. Square bond. 35th house is the answer. 35th house is haunted house, children. 35th house. Okay. I want to verify, children, for your sake. I want to do verification also. I hope everyone copied the sum. I hope everyone copied the sum. If you have copied the sum, children, then I will show verification also, children. 35th house. Before rubbing off, I am telling this is equal to total minus this I did, so that I will get this answer. Okay, children. Now I wanted to do verification, children. 35th house is the answer. Okay. Now I want to do verification, children. All of you see, we will verify and see. If you do verification, you will understand clearly. 35th house is the answer. So 35th house means this is 30. Sum of 34 terms. How much you say? 34. Sum of 34 is how much, children? 34 by 2 into 2a plus 34 minus 1, 33, common difference 1. 17 into 35. 17 5 is 85, 17 3 is 15. 595 is 34 houses. Okay, now children? 34 houses. Now, S49 minus S35 we should do. Because from the middle you want means you won't get, children. From the middle you want means you won't get. So 49 lo nunchi we should remove 35 houses. 49 means how much, children? 49 by 2 into 2a plus 49 minus 1 into common difference 1 minus 35 by 2 into 2 into 1 plus 35 minus 1 into common difference 1. Okay, children, please concentrate, children. All of you, please mute yourself. 49 by 2 into 2 plus 48 is 50 minus 35 by 2 into 2 plus 34. 2 plus 34 means 36. Okay, children. So 49 into 25. 49 into 25 minus 35 into 18. Okay, children. So 25 nines are 225. 25 fours are 100. 122 minus 18 fives are 90. 18 threes are 54. 54 630. Same answer, you will get 595 again. Hence verified. Okay, children. Same answer. So all the houses before 35th will be equal to all the houses after 35th. Okay, children. Please copy on, children. Verification no need actually, just for your understanding I did, children. Last sum, children, for today. For today it is the last sum. Please all of you see the diagram carefully, children. Football ground is there. Please all of you check the figure. Football ground. Last question. Very easy question, children. Please don't disturb. All of you mute yourself. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Okay. Please, children, mute yourself. Fifth question. There is a football ground. I told you to mute, no, Nana. You don't understand. Okay. So Fifth question, children. There is a football ground. 15 steps are there, children. 15 steps are there. Okay. In this 15 steps, each step measurement, if you take, children, 1 by 4 meters, 1 by 2 meters, and 15 meters. This is length. Okay, children. And what is the breadth? 1 by 2. Height is 1 by 2. Children is asking, what is the volume? Volume is what, children? Length into breadth into height. What is the volume of 15 steps? This is first step volume. Volume of first step is how much, children? 50 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. One step only. So second step volume of children, 50 into 1 by 2. Length breadth won't change, children. Only height will change. 1 by 4 will come 2 times. Like that, if you keep doing, 15th step will be how much, children? 15 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. Only height 1 by 4 will become 15 times. That's all. Only 1 by 4 will become 15 times. Children, you have first term, you have last term, you have 15 steps. Volume of 15 steps is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. Please check, children. 15 by 2 into A is how much, children? 50 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 1 plus L is how much, children? 50 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 50. Okay, children, that is A and L. So, children, what you will take common? 15 by 2. What I will take common? 50 I will take common. 1 by 2 I will take common. 1 by 4. Inside 1 plus 15 is left over. Okay, children. Last step, children. 15 by 2 into 50 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 into 60. 2 twos are 4, 4 fours are 16. 15 50s are 750 meter cube is volume of all 15 steps of football ground. Understand? Length will not change, breadth will not change, only height will become for first step 1, for second step 2, for 15th step 15. So I have first step I have, children, I have 15th step I have n by 2. Directly I took common everything except 1 and 15. I did 750 meter cube is the volume of all 15 steps of football ground. Like this you should